Um, Want to know how many frames are there in that video? Video capture get cv2 cap drop frame count. Those. Okay. And I also want the FPS. There. Yeah. 2 cap. Now that we have that, I want to do image before color before we. Okay, this reads each frame in that video, or one frame at a time, and success just says if that frame exists, and image before color is just the image itself, and we're gonna do some processing on it. So yeah, so CV2 video writer for PC. We point this to. This is the format of the video that we want, and then video out CV2 writer. Video writer. This is location of where the video will go to. So we want the path, predicted path, with the video name. See format, how many FPS, and then we want the shape of this. So we'll do integer of image before color shape, height. Oops, go back. And image before color shape. Bring this up slightly. There we go. Okay. Now, while a frame is actually showing, it's image before color. If there's no image, then I want this to break. Okay, now we're gonna do the inferencing, hosted API inferencing section through Roboflow. Okay, so if we look over here, look at this. Here's all the different imports that it wants. We already have it included on top. Here is the other info we're gonna need. Paste this here, and we'll work with that. Okay, but I do like putting format how I do this, so let's just do that. So image, do this. We already have the image. Color right here. JPEG buffer. Struct URL. Wait, multi-part. Yeah, section. Struct the URL. Upload URL. So over here, we'll get like a URL to upload, but there's actually different sections of this. There is the actual website and the analog version 10. And then here is the API key. You do not want to share this API key to anyone. So if you can, I would put this in a YAML file, like a config file, and just like import it to this Python script and then just add it onto here. So the way I do this is struct URL, upload URL is equal to this dot join. Just copy this over. There, do this. That API key is this. Then I'll add one more thing of what confidence level you want to filter by. So at confidence is equal to this plus string of what we have above, minimum score. There we go. Okay. Upload URL. Response, I want upload URL. Here. Data.m, headers, side, yep. Okay, we have that. We don't want prints, but we do want the predictions. Predictions is equal to response JSON of predictions. Okay, so we just run this print predictions, see what we get. Well, success. Oh, what happened here? Okay, if we run this, solve that. Here are the center of the object's x value, center of the y, the width of that object, the height, class, center, confidence level of that. And yeah, so yeah, let's continue doing this. That works. And then we'll move on. Okay. I want another for loop to go through each of these and to create a list combining all the different x value, all the die coordinates, all the labels, etc. So let's do that. Die coordinates is equal to this, labels down, so dense level list, so do that. For prediction and predictions, x1 is equal to prediction x. Okay, so because this x is at the center of the object, I want it to be at the leftmost part, left part of the object. So we'll do prediction x at the center minus prediction height, no, the width, divided by 2. Same thing for y. Okay. X2 is equal to x1 plus prediction width. Similarly with y. then by coordinates. Just do coordinates. Coordinates and 1, y1, x2, 2, table is equal to prediction. Labels bound and label. Okay. Now, this is this. Now let's do the if it captures the center and the needle tip to do the calculations to find out what theta is, the degrees. So yeah, let's do that. So if center and labels bound and needle tip, that's what we label the other one, and labels bound. Want to get the center coordinates. Center xs is equal to. So I want to have a list of the indexes here that are labeled center. Next for index x and enumerate labels bound if x is equal to center. Okay, and then also one for the, let's continue this. We want to have these coordinates as well, center coordinates is equal to coordinates